Halo guys, ini Jack. Hari ini aku mau membuat video tidak serius tentang anjingku. Aku punya 3 anjing dan aku mau membuat video tentang mereka karena aku suka anjingku dan aku berpikir ini bisa menarik jika kalian bisa melihat anjingku. So ini I'm gonna bring them here dan aku akan berbicara tentang mereka. Ini tidak akan menjadi besar video, panjang video, mungkin 5-6 menit, aku tidak tahu. Tapi aku berharap kalian suka melihat anjingku. And yeah, so it's not the most serious video ever, but I hope you like it. Okay, pertama ini Yoko. Dia female, pincher dan tidak tahu. We don't know, like she's both bred, but we don't know exactly pincher and what. Tidak tahu tahun dia karena she was abandoned by people and she got found, so we don't know exactly her age. Tapi mungkin around 5 tahun. I'm not sure, to be honest. Dia tinggal bersama kami selama 3 tahun dan as you can see dia suka makan. Dia makan banyak and dia tidak suka hug, to be honest. Like sekarang aku tahu yang jika dia tidak suka that I'm showing her to you guys, tapi yeah, she has to. So please Yoko, see she just wanna move on, so I will just let her go and I will put picture about her because as you can see dia tidak suka ketika aku atau my mom or lain people bermain dengan dia. Dia tidak suka. Dia hanya mau makan dan tidur. So ini tidak menarik, tapi dia aku suka, maybe lebih suka anjingku karena ketika kami pergi untuk dia, she was like the first person that took care of her when we brought her, and I feel like there's a special connection with her. So yeah, nama dia Yoko dan yeah, let's get to the next one. Now nama dia Duc. Ini tidak tahu his breed again, seperti Yoko, tapi dia 11 tahun dan dia tinggal bersama kami selama 10 tahun. So, dia adalah anjing tua, tapi ya, honestly aku suka dia karena unlike Yoko, dia suka bermain dengan saya. Dia dan saya bermain banyak dan yeah, is unlike what you can see now because he looks sleepy. Dia suka bermain dan he's a very noisy dog. He likes to bark a lot. Tapi dia tidak suka makan. Unlike Yoko again, that's the opposite. Dia tidak suka makan tapi bermain. And yeah, as you can see, and he likes to. Dia suka tidur, tapi ini it's normal. Dia tua and yeah. So again, nothing much else to say. He's been living with us for so long now. It's like a family member. So aku berharap dia akan tinggal dengan bersama mereka for long, and he wants to go too. So I will put pictures as you probably seeing them right now. I'll edit the video dengan gambar tentang dia Duc. DUC. Okay, let's jump for the last Hylton, Hylton. Honestly, ini tidak kami anjing. Dia adalah anjing kakak saya, tapi tinggal bersama kami. Dia to big terlalu besar. Sorry, I was thinking terlalu besar, so I can't show it live like having it on my laps seperti Yoko dan Duc. So I'm just putting pictures and video tentang dia. So as you can see, dia besar, like 30 kilos I think, around this. So yeah, very big. Dia suka, but very very much to eat. Dia suka makan dan tentu saja tidur. Is very easily scared anjing, tapi dia suka bermain kadang-kadang. Not always, because most of the time dia suka tidur, tapi kadang-kadang it's like he goes crazy dan mau bermain, and he loves to be massaged. So if you ever meet him, I hope for him, well, massage him and you will be his best friend. So yep, it's Hylton. Dan dia beagle, I didn't say it. It's a male beagle, and dia tinggal bersama kami selama 4 tahun, and sekarang dia, if I'm not mistaken, 6 tahun. So yep, and that's it. Aku berharap kalian suka melihat anjingku. So something I want to talk about is, I'll say in English, we get all the dogs in France in a place called SPA, and mereka membuat anjing, kucing, save them, feed them, and aku mau berbicara tentang mereka karena mereka adalah orang baik, dan aku berpikir, even if I'm not famous, aku tidak terkenal, ini baik berbicara tentang orang baik, orang yang membantu kucing, anjing, and sometimes other animals. It's people like them are very good. Honestly, I really respect them. Then yeah, like I've said, talking about them won't give them money because they need it, but it's just like a shout out, if I may say, a way to thank them. And like I said, bisa membeli anjing dan kucing di sana. So we kami membeli anjing, we pay for them, and then kan wang itu mereka bisa membantu banyak anjing, banyak kucing, and kadang-kadang lain animals seperti hamsters. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. We got all of my dogs there. I had many dogs in the past, but hari ini aku berbicara tentang the three that I showed that are on my right. Sekarang tidur like them. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like this video tentang anjingku. Ini tidak serius like I've said before, tapi aku mau berbicara tentang mereka. Mereka adalah penting in my life, and yeah, so it was a video for myself, and hopefully you liked it too. So thank you and see you next time. Terimakasih.